You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora.
Who can resist a pretty package of chocolate?
With the painterly paints, I made swatches onto a piece of watercolor paper. And then when that was done, I doodled some roses. Now that I've tried out the paints, I'm going to put a bunch of colors onto a piece of paper. And that's all you need to do here. Just play with the paint. Have some fun. Explore. I also added some pennies from heaven. You know I love this stuff. I mixed it in a Dollar Tree spritz bottle with a little bit of water. Once your papers are dry, we're going to cut them into 1-inch strips and then down to 3 1/4 inches. With your glue gun on low, follow your directions on your glue gun. Don't get burned. Wrap your paper around your little nuggets of chocolate. Numminess. And then put a little drop of glue and seal it. We don't want to melt the chocolate. I went ahead and cut out some shapes, and then I painted the shapes with some paint pixie dust in white sands. Hot glued those to the top for a little extra bling. And there you have it. Give them as a gift. Add them to your New Year's party. These are good all year round. Or just when you need a little pick-me-up. Aren't they pretty? Aww. I could just eat them up.